Ever thought about powering a base on the moon? Well, it's closer to reality than you think. Preparations are underway to make this sci-fi dream a reality. Russia plans to build a nuclear power plant on the moon, and India and China might join the mission. Russia's state-owned nuclear company, Rosatom, is spearheading this ambitious project. Their goal? To generate electricity for a manned lunar base by 2036. This small nuclear plant will produce about 0.5 megawatt of electricity, enough to power the base's needs. India and China are showing keen interest in joining this venture. With India aiming for a human mission to the moon by 2040, international collaboration seems likely. According to Rosatom chief Alexei Likhachev, this lunar nuclear plant will be built through automation, reducing the need for direct human involvement. This project could shift the balance of power in space, fostering cooperation between nations with histories of rivalry. So, will India and China back Russia's lunar mission? Stay tuned, because the future of space exploration is about to get electrifying.